You could fry the eggplant, but today I'm going to bake it and I'm going to show you how we do that. You know how sometimes you have an eggplant and you think, what can I do with this? Well, this is one of the best recipes to do with eggplant. These are my ingredients. I've got my bell peppers, Anaheim pepper, garlic, Moroccan paste, lemon, olive oil, cilantro, tomatoes. You can use any tomatoes you like. You could use cherry tomatoes. I use grape tomatoes, black pepper and salt. And of course for the topping we're going to use feta cheese. So to start, we're going to cut off the head and we're going to slice it. Any brown spots. It's all peeled. Now we're going to cut up our eggplant like so, and then we're going to make little squares. You want to use regular oil, you don't need to use olive oil. And I'm going to take a glove and mix in the oil all around the eggplant. And I want to coat the whole eggplant with oil. You can use canola oil, I've used grapeseed oil. Good, add some more oil. So I'm going to put this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 40 minutes. Going to check on it. To prepare my Anaheim pepper. I think this one's a little spicy. We're going to slice our grape tomato into half. And I'll tell you why we slice it into half in a minute. I'm making a quick pesto. I put my washed cilantro with the stems in my food processor. I'm going to add oil and salt. Eggplants are nearly ready. They're looking nice and brown. Just going to give it a turn. Give it more, another 10 minutes. We turn the eggplant over so it will be evenly baked. We have all our prep here. We're going to take our pesto, line it up on our plate. We're going to take our eggplant and put it on top of the pesto. We're going to take Anaheim peppers, place them on the plate like this. Take some of the other peppers. Then, if you remember what I told you, I said I'll let you know why we put our tomatoes up. That is when we put our dressing, it gets absorbed inside the tomato. So we put our tomatoes facing upwards. bit of our pesto dressing on top of our dish, on top of the tomatoes. I'm going to take some of my Moroccan paste. This is optional. I always use it in my dishes, and I'm going to spread it around like this. I'm going to take some lemon juice and sprinkle some lemon juice on that dish. I'm going to take feta cheese and sprinkle some on top. Beautiful summer salad.